today we have this amazing, super cute baby sea pony ocean gem from My Little Pony the movie. Oh, that is so sweet, isn't it? So let's open it up and explore this amazing Sequestria. Ooh, that baby is super, super cute. Oh wow, you can actually stick that somewhere, like in your bedroom or in the fridge. Look at that little window, that is so tiny, tiny. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, that is so cool. You can stick it everywhere you like, and this one as well. That is so cute. Look at that starfish friend. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? And look at that. Our sea pony actually fits inside this amazing shell. Isn't it so cute? So this is our beautiful sea pony that comes in white and blue color. We also have this amazing crab. Isn't it so cute? You can stick that on the surface like a window or something like that, and then we can have this cute pony inside. Sleep tight. Ah, I'm so tired. Good night. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up. Hey, sorry, I just want to play. That is so cute. I love these super awesome baby sea ponies. I hope you like this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more My Little Pony reviews. I'll see you in the next video. How we're going to play, but with the slime, of course. Oh guys, we have this amazing blue slime and we have a sea pony here. So we have to create the ocean. Ooh, with the blue amazing super sticky slime. Let's put it here and create the sea. Oh, that is so sticky. Ooh, it's like waves. Woohoo! Yeah! See, it's much more fun if you don't sleep all the time, baby sea pony. Yay! Woo! Oh my gosh, this slime is amazing. Yeah, it's really sticky. Yeah. Oh my gosh, help! I'm stuck here. Hey, let me help you. Yee! Oh, freedom. Yee!